In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in Telegram so you can access AI assistants directly from your messaging app without switching between platforms. This is perfect if you want quick answers, help with writing, brainstorming ideas, or getting information while you're already chatting with friends or managing your groups on Telegram. This method is completely free to start and takes less than 2 minutes to set up. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. You can use either version. The process works exactly the same way. Once Telegram is open, look at the top of your screen and tap on the search bar. This is where you'll find bots, channels, groups, and contacts. In the search bar, type ChatGPT bot. You'll see several results appear because there are multiple ChatGPT bots available on Telegram created by different developers. Look for bots with verified checkmarks or high user counts, as these tend to be more reliable and regularly maintained. Some popular options include bots with names like ChatGPT bot, GPT chatbot, or AI ChatGPT. Once you've found the bot you want to use, tap on it to open the chat window. You'll see a start button or a menu at the bottom of the screen. Tap. Start to activate the bot and begin your conversation. The bot will send you a welcome message explaining how to use it, what commands are available, and sometimes information about premium features if the bot offers paid upgrades. Now you can simply type any question or prompt directly into the chat, just like you would with a regular contact. The bot will process your message and respond with AI-generated answers in real time. You can ask it to write emails, explain concepts, generate ideas, translate text, or help with coding problems. The bot works just like ChatGPT on the web, but now it's built right into your Telegram workflow. And that's it. You've successfully set up and started using ChatGPT in Telegram. You can now access AI assistants anytime without leaving your messaging app. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.